It's so easy to make 10K a month in 2026, right? And in today's video, I'm gonna basically break down how you guys can do it and how literally anyone, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, doesn't matter if you're experienced, right? Anyone can start this business model and start making 10K a month. And honestly, guys, it's one of the most easiest business models out there, right? Now, if you're new watching this, you don't know who I am, my name is Alim. And I used to work a 9-to-5 job myself back in the UK, right? I used to work in Argos, World Duty Free, Sky, you know, one of the most difficult periods of my life. And I used to hate it so much. So what I did was I take a massive risk. I quit my 9-to-5 job. I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. And now I make well over 6 figures a year online, and I live here in Dubai, as you can see from the backdrop behind me. But guys, honestly, it's so easy to make money online. It's so easy to make 10K a month, right? A lot of people think that to make 10K a month, you know, you have to really, really work hard. It's going to take, you know, years and years of experience to start making 10K a month. But from my experience and from doing it myself, no, anyone can do this, right? Now, all you need to be able to make 10K a month is have a skill, right? Every one of you that's watching this video, by the way, has a skill. You have something that you can sell in the market, something you're good at that most people want or most people can't do, right? So all you have to do is essentially sell your skills or knowledge to higher ticket clients, right? And the reason why you can make a lot of money doing this, by the way, is because you start charging high ticket prices. So for example, let's say you charge $4,000 or $5,000, right? For argument's sake, let's stick with $5,000. If you sell something for $5,000, you only need 2 clients a month to make 10K a month. Now guys, 2 clients to pay you 5 grand isn't a big deal, right? And you can imagine if you start scaling, if you start getting more and more clients, you can make 10K, you can make 15K, 20K, 30K, 40K, 50K, upwards of 100K a month, right? And this is not like some joke. Anyone could truly do this. But ultimately, what you guys have to do is find a skill that you're good at, package it into an offer, right? So you have your pricing, your deliverables, etc., and then sell it. And guys, the way you sell it is by leveraging your personal brand, right? This is why it's so powerful. This is how literally anyone can do it, right? And the reason why you need to sell it via personal brand is because for people to know, like, and trust you, you have to kind of speak to them, right? And the only way you can speak to a lot of people one-to-one at scale is through YouTube videos, right? Which is obviously what I'm doing at the moment. I have my own online coaching business where I work with people and help them scale to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model. Now, just a quick one, if you are interested and you do want to work with me on a one-to-one basis where I will scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now guys, back to the point, right? You need to build a personal brand. Personal brand has never been easier, right? Because you don't need a lot of views. You don't need to do anything crazy like fancy editing, all that kind of stuff. All you need to do is pick up a camera, speak in front of a camera and upload it. And that's it, right? And then you can get clients. Now guys, I wanna make this very specific point. Obviously, there's more steps behind it. Obviously, there's things you need to learn around it, right? Which is, for example, when you're posting content, how to post content, how to position your content, you know, who you're speaking to in terms of your ICP, how to position your program, how to make more money from the back end, etc. Like, there's so much that goes in an online coaching business, right? A lot of people also think that they could just pick up a camera and film and just get clients, right? But it doesn't necessarily work like that. You have to be intentional. You have to know what you're doing. But once you know what you're doing, once you have, I guess you can say, the blueprint, right? Anyone can do this. It is so, so easy. And it's like, this is why I recommend hiring a mentor in the first place, right? Because when you're filming content, when you're putting stuff out there, you want to make sure that you're attracting the right people. Because the way you speak, the way you talk, the way you communicate, what you talk about, your niche, etc., that's all going to bring in a different type of avatar to your channel, right? And you want to make sure with the way you communicate, with the way you talk, with the way you actually make your content, you attract the right people to your content. This is why I say it's nothing to do with views, right? What's the point of having a video, let's say 100,000 views, if all of those viewers are kids, for example, right? They can't afford your program. But if you make your content attracting the right people, let's say you get 100 views, well, even if you get 1% of that to convert, right? That's one person from 100 views, which is like 3, 4, 5, 6 grand, whatever your pricing is. So you see what I'm trying to say, guys? Views aren't important. You can make more money off 100 views than, for example, 10,000 views, right? And I know this from personal experience because I made a video back in the day that got like 10,000 views, right? But it got me no clients, it got me no money, and I made nothing from it. But from a video where I got 80 views, right, where I converted a few people from there, I made around $7,000, $8,000, probably more if I work out from the long term. But the point I'm trying to make, guys, is that views aren't important, right? A lot of people still think to this day, which is crazy to me, oh, views are so important, views are so important. You know, if you're not getting good views, you're not gonna make money. Bullshit, it's absolute bullshit. I'd rather a video get me 80 views but make me money than a video that gets me 100,000 views where people watch and leave, right? This is why I say in 2026, it's never been easier to make 10K a month, because all you have to do is pick up a camera, do the content in the right way, make raw content just exactly like what I'm doing right now, and you can make money. And literally anyone can do it. Again, anyone can seriously do it. Now, again, if you do need any help, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. Now guys, 10K a month is extremely easy because, again, as I said, if you charge 5K, right? Let's say you charge 5K, 2 clients a month. Let's say you charge 3K, that's around 3 clients a month. Let's say you charge 2K, that's about 5 clients a month. Guys, it's so easy. Like, to get 3, 4, 5 clients into your program, if you really and truly deep it, is so easy. And the reason why most of you watching this video probably find it difficult to understand or difficult to comprehend is because you've been brainwashed in your 9-to-5 job to think the only way to make money is through a 9-to-5, right? Or like a physical business that most people talk about. But no, you don't need to do those things. And the reason why a lot of you might even be skeptical is the reason why you're working a 9-to-5 job in the first place. Because the ones that didn't find it skeptical are the ones doing it now, right? So for example, myself, when I was in the UK working my 9-to-5 job, I was there at work looking on my phone, right? Seeing all these people live in Dubai, live in Bali, all these cities. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm here working a 9-to-5 job, making 2 grand a month, working 40 hours for my boss. And all of these people are making ridiculous amounts of money online and have freedom and are living in the dream cities that I want to live in. Something's not right. Something needs to change. And that's when I realized that, no, I need to do something different, because if I want something different, I have to do something different. And that's what I did. I was like, I'm going to quit my job, pack my bags and move to Dubai. And that's when I started my online journey. That's when I started my online business. And that's where I am today, where I make well over 6 figures a year. Life is completely easy. Everything's so much easier. And I live in the greatest city in the world, which is Dubai, right? But my point is, guys, if you are looking to do the exact same thing where you make money online, it has never been easier to do it, okay? And my advice would be, right, hire a mentor. Because a lot of people also try to do it by themselves. And this is, again, a mistake people make. As much as it's easy to make 10K a month, if you do not know how to do it, then it's not going to be easy, right? You're going to fail, you're going to, make mistakes, etc. But if you know what to do, then it becomes so easy, because it's like, okay, cool, this is what you have to do. If you do it, you'll make money. Simple as. So that's why I have my online coaching business, and that's why I work with people on a one-to-one basis, show them exactly how they can start the one skill consulting business model, scale them to 10K a month so they can start making money, have freedom, and even quit their 9-to-5 job. Now again, guys, if you are interested and you do want to work with me on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Honestly, it's never been easy to make 10K a month just by building a personal brand, just by selling your skills. Literally anyone could do it. And again, I call this the one skill consulting business model. Now, if you want more information on how this business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.